Hello. So welcome students. Another video with the same topic and the same chapter. Chapter is same. Second chapter, economics, people as a resource. But the topic is change, not the previous one. Today we will read new two topics. So what the topic we are going to read today? That was economic activities by men and women. After that, quality of population. So we will read the quality of population on the basis of education and health. Before we start these two topics, let us take a short summary what we have read in previous two videos about the people as a resource. So we start with a chapter that people as a very important resource for any country, and we combine this chapter with first chapter in which we read about the factors of production, in which people is also an important factor. And then we read about the importance of this particular resource. Which resource? People. That without the people, we are not able to take the maximum use of all other resources which we have, either the land or the physical capital or the natural resources, whatever it is. Because only the one important resource जो हमको चाहिए, that was people. After that, we read about the stories of Vilas and Sakal. And by reading these stories, we try to make a difference between these two boys on the basis of health and education. That how health and education change the life of a boy. And that boy was, who that boy was? Sakal. How Sakal used its education and good health into liability to a asset. How this boy from a liability become a asset for not only his parents but also for the society and at last for the country. Yes, we had read. After that, we read about the Japan also. Example, we have taken the Japan. That how Japan invest in their human capital so that that country become not a developing but a developed country only because they invest in their human resource very much. We also read about the vicious cycle and virtuous cycle, which was related to the literate and illiterate parents. That these literate and illiterate parents, they are responsible for making the virtuous and vicious cycle. A virtuous cycle में क्या था? When the literate parents know the importance of education and health, so they give the same condition to their children also. And when these children become a parents, they also follow the same footstep of their parents. That was virtuous cycle. And what was vicious cycle? That illiterate parents did not know the importance of health and hygiene and education, so they did not provide these facilities to their children. And again, their children, when they become parents, they also follow the same path. That was vicious cycle. Now, next, what the topic we are going to study, that was economic activity by men and women. And this topic is on page number 19, your economics book. Economic activities, men and women. So here again, we will, this economic activity, we combine this activity again with the story of Vilas and Sakal. That Vilas and Sakal both are engaged in different activities. दोनों ही काम कर रहे थे. अगर तुम स्टोरी को रिकॉल करो, then you will able to understand what the work Vilas is doing and what the Sakal. What the Vilas is doing, he was selling fishes, and what the Sakal is doing, Sakal used to do a job in a company as a you can say computer expert. That is here also given. That Vilas used to sell the fish, whereas Sakal has a job in a firm. Now these टू एक्टिविटीज जो हमने अभी विलास और सकल के लिए, इसके अलावा और बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज हैं इस इकोनॉमी में हमारे कंट्री के अंदर. So what we do, we classify our economic activities into 3 categories. हम क्या करते हैं, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज को 3 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड करते हैं. फर्स्ट कैटेगरी दैट वाज प्राइमरी, सेकंड that was manufacturing or you can say secondary activities, primary activities, and third one is tertiary activities, which we also said goods and service activity. So first comes the primary activity. अब primary activity में क्या आता है, जैसा कि नाम ही है primary, starting. In school we used to say primary education from first to, or you can say LKG, nursery up to 5th, that is primary. Means the base of the education children are taking. So here primary economic activities. अब इसमें क्या क्या शामिल है, एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटी, फॉरेस्ट्री एक्टिविटी, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री एक्टिविटी, देन फिशिंग एक्टिविटी, पोल्ट्री एक्टिविटी, फार्मिंग, माइनिंग, क्वायरिंग, ये सब किस में शामिल होती है, प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी. नेक्स्ट जो हमारी सेकंड एक्टिविटी दैट वाज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, टू मेक द थिंग्स फ्रॉम रॉ मटेरियल. When something is changed into a finished good, that is called manufacturing. किसी चीज को बनाना. तो जो सेकंड एक्टिविटी है किसी भी कंट्री में, इन एवरी कंट्री दीज एक्टिविटीज आर परफॉर्मिंग. तो सेकंड एक्टिविटी क्या है हमारी, दैट वाज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक्टिविटी. व्हाट द थिंग्स वी इंक्लूड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी, दैट वाज ट्रेड, देन ट्रांसपोर्ट, then in manufacturing activities we include all the processing industry or the manufacturing industry. For example, making clothes, making this eatable items, biscuit, Maggi, oil, anything you can say. Making, publishing this book is also is coming in a industry, that is manufacturing industry. This blackboard is also, and the pen which we use to write this particular headings, that pen is also come from the manufacturing activities. So second activity, that activity was manufacturing activity, to make the things. Clear? So now the third activity which we will read. Secondary activities, manufacturing activity. Manufacturing कुछ भी बनना, from the tiny pin to a very big aeroplane or the ship, whatever, all these come in a manufacturing industry. Then comes to trade, transport, then communication, then banking, then tourism, health, education, insurance. ये सब किस में आते हैं, that was third activity. और थर्ड एक्टिविटी को हम क्या कहते हैं, either the service activity or the tertiary activity. क्या नाम दिया है आपकी बुक के अंदर, tertiary services or the tertiary sector. Clear? This thing is given here. So these are the 3 economic activities जो हर किसी भी कंट्री में होती है. Not only in India but all the countries. First one is primary, then secondary, then tertiary. Okay. Now the activity of this sector result in the production of goods and service. Which one? Third one जो हमारा सर्विस सेक्टर है या टर्चरी सेक्टर है, उसमें जो भी एक्टिविटी होती है उसका what is the output of that? Only goods and services are produced. Now these 3 activities, these economic activities, these are very important for the economy of a country. Already we are reading in economics. So economics is related to the economy. So these 3 activities, primary, secondary and tertiary, ये तीनों किसी भी देश के economic development में playing a very important role. It is very important activities. That's why it is also called economic activities. Clear? Now again, these economic activities we divided into 2 parts. Market activity and non-market activity. Now you will say, madam, what is the difference of market activity and non-market activity? Lots of difference. दोनों ही जगह पर काम सेम हो रहा है, लेकिन उनका मीनिंग चेंज। सो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट. Economic activity which was done by men and women, we divide these economic activity into two parts: market activity and non-market activity. Both these activities are going on in a country. Clear? अब market activity कौन सी है? Market activity which involve remuneration of anyone who perform. Remuneration यानी कि ऐसी कोई भी एक्टिविटी हम जो what the activity we are doing for either the money or the profit. Clear? So any activity, again I am telling you that any activity which we are doing for money and profit, that is called market activity. अब इसमें क्या क्या आता है? प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गुड्स, सर्विस, चाहे वो गवर्नमेंट सर्विस हो या प्राइवेट हो, एनीथिंग दैट इज कम इन अ मार्केट एक्टिविटी. नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटी आर द प्रोडक्शन फॉर सेल्फ कंजम्पशन. अपने खुद के लिए जो करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटीज. दिस कैन बी डन ओनली in we can say not for a profit, for our own self. Ab example how you can understand these two activities, market activity and non-market activity. For example, just अगर आप मेरा example लेते हैं that I am teaching you. For this teaching I am getting the salary from the school, that is market activity. But when your parents teaching to you, that is not a market activity, because they are not teaching you for any money or profit making activity. Your mother cook food for you, I think at least 3 to 4 times a day. She did not take any money. But when you go to a hotel and or the restaurant and take a same food, you pay the money for that particular food. That is market activity. When you fall ill, your parents look after you. They give you a medicine, good food, good medical facility, good care. Even sometimes when you are not in a you have a very bad condition, they awake whole the night. But you cannot say that is market. That is non-market activity. But when you go to the hospital and you take all the services, either the food or the medicine or the care, then you have to pay for it. That is because that is market activity. Another example, when your mother stitch your dresses or the clothes, she did not take any money. But when you take your clothes to the tailor or the boutique, then they sell their service charge, you can say money. So this is the difference between market and non-market activity. कि जब हम कोई भी काम पैसों के लिए या प्रॉफिट फायदे के लिए करते हैं, तो वो किस में आता है? That comes in a market activity. And when we do any work for own, अपने लिए करते हैं, that self consumption के लिए, that is non-market activity. If a farmer grow wheat or rice or any crops, और वो अपने खुद के घर में रख लेता है खाने के लिए, that is non-market activity. But वही सब चीजें if farmer sell in a market for the money or profit, that is non-market activity. Clear? Got it? So this is the difference between market and non-market activities. अब ये एक्टिविटी तीनों ही में हो सकती है, any three economic activities, either the primary or the secondary or the tertiary services. Clear? Now again, what the question is, Now this question is, or this particular topic is related to the history, कि from the historical time, पुराने टाइम से हम क्या देख रहे हैं, और द हमारे जो कस्टम्स है, कल्चर है हमारा, या हमारी जो परंपराएं हैं, उसके हिसाब से वी हैव अ डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर बिटवीन मैन एंड वीमेन. डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर, काम का बंटवारा है. जो हमारे कंट्री के अंदर देखें, जो फ्रॉम द हिस्टोरिकल टाइम और प्रीवियस टाइम और बाय द वी कैन से बॉन्ड ऑफ कल्चर, हमने क्या कर रखा है, डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर, काम का बंटवारा. काम का बंटवारा किसके बीच, मैन एंड वीमेन. क्या बंटवारा कर रखा है कि वीमेन जनरली यूज टू लुक द डोमेस्टिक affair or the domestic chores of the home, or what the men do, men used to work in a field or outside house. यानी कि फ्रॉम द वेरी एंशियंट टाइम ये हमने क्या डिसाइड कर रखा है कि जो वीमेन्स है, जो औरतें हैं, उनकी जो काम क्या है या उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है, टू लुक आफ्टर द होम. एंड व्हाट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ मैन, टू अर्न द मनी, go outside to earning the money and look after the family. दोनों का काम क्या है, both are doing the work. मेन मोटो क्या है उस वर्क का, to look after the family, but काम करने का जो उनका एरिया है वो वीमेन्स का एरिया ओनली कन्फाइंड टू द हाउस, मैन का आउट ऑफ द हाउस. और ये जो बात कर रहे हैं हम अभी की नहीं कर रहे, we are talking about this some 50 to 70 years पहले की बात करते हैं. क्लियर? Again, this topic related to Vilas and Sakal. That Sakal mother Sheila used to do all the household work, cook the food, clean utensils, wash clothes, clean house, look after the children. और उसके फादर क्या करते थे, बाहर का काम करते थे, work in a field, sell the produce and earn the money for the family. So this is a very clear division of labor between men and women. Now what the Sheila is doing at home, शीला घर पे जो भी काम करती थी, खाना पकाना, घर की सफाई करना, कपड़े धोना, बर्तन धोना, बच्चों का ध्यान रखना, she did not get any money for that, for upbringing the family. But बूटा क्या करता था, बूटा घर के बाहर जो भी काम करता था उसके बदले उसको what he are getting, that man is getting money to for the look after of the family. So normally when women used to work at a home, they did not give or they did not get any money. So women are not paid for their service delivered in a family. Take up your own example, आप अपना example ले लो. Whenever you eat a food, either the breakfast or the lunch or the dinner, have you ever said that mama this is the money for today's food, कि आज ये लंच का पैसा है या डिनर का पैसा है, you have done lot of work for me, तो ये इसका पैसा है. No. Why? Because we don't do this. Women, those who used to work at home for their own children or the family members, she did not pay for it. और इसीलिए that's why the work which was done by the women at their own home, उसको हम किस में काउंट नहीं करते, नेशनल. We did not include the work done by the women as a national income. कंट्री की जो एक साल की टोटल इनकम होती है उसमें हम उस काम को ऐड नहीं करते. क्यों नहीं ऐड करते? बिकॉज वी आर नॉट पेइंग द मनी फॉर दैट. बट इफ योर फादर इज अर्निंग मनी, देन उनकी जो इनकम है, उनका जो पेमेंट है, उनकी जो भी अर्निंग है, दैट इज काउंटेड इन अ नेशनल इनकम. अब बात करते हैं, अगेन स्टोरी की बात फिर आ गई. अब बात आई है विलास की मदर की. विलास की मदर कौन थी? गीता. अर्न इनकम बाय सेलिंग फिश, पैसा कमाती थी. और व्हाट इज द मोड ऑफ अर्निंग इनकम? सेलिंग द फिश. मछलियां बेच के कमाती थी. सो वीमेन व्हेन दे आर पेड फॉर देयर वर्क, जब औरतों को उनके काम के बदले हम क्या देते हैं, पैसा, तब वो कहाँ जाती है, इन मार्केट एक्टिविटीज. इफ वी आर नॉट गिविंग देम मनी, वो किस में रहती हैं, नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटी. बट इफ वी आर गिविंग देम मनी, फिर वो किस में आ जाती है, मार्केट एक्टिविटीज. दे आर अर्निंग लाइक दैट their male counterpart is determined on the basis of education and skill. When women come out of the house to earn the money, तो उसको किसके बराबर पैसा मिलता है, उस पर्टिकुलर जगह जहां पर जो भी मेल मेंबर्स है. बट उसका बेस क्या होता है, बेस इज नॉट दैट दैट वर्कर इज अ वीमेन. उसका बेस क्या है, एजुकेशन एंड स्किल. if she had a education and skill same as compared to men on that particular field, दोनों को एक बराबर पैसा मिलेगा. Clear? That is written in your book. Again, I am reading this particular line. So women are paid for their work when they enter the labor market. जब वो कहाँ एंटर करती है, लेबर मार्केट, टू डू द जॉब. दे आर अर्निंग, उनका जो मनी मिलेगा, अर्निंग होगी उनकी, लाइक दैट ऑफ देयर मेल काउंटर पार्ट, उतनी ही मिलेगी जितनी किनको मिलती है, उनके साथ काम करने वाले मेल मेंबर्स को. लेकिन उसका डिटर्मिनेशन क्या होगा, किस बेस पर मिलेगी उसको वो सैलरी, वीमेन को, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड स्किल. उसकी एजुकेशन और स्किल के बेस पे मिलेगी, नॉट द बेस दैट वीमेन इज डूइंग द जॉब. इफ दोनों का एजुकेशन स्किल सेम है, both men and women will get the same money. Clear? So education, अब यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन ही आता है, then what is the role of their education? So education play a very important role in developing our market value. अगर हमारे पास एजुकेशन है, स्किल है, we can capable to earn as much money as any male member of that society is earning. क्यों? क्योंकि अपॉर्चुनिटी दोनों के लिए सेम है. सो एजुकेशन और स्किल are the major determinants of earning any individual in the market. If you are going to a market, market का मतलब यहाँ नहीं कि हम बाजार शॉपिंग करने जा रहे हैं. मार्केट का मतलब है यहाँ पर that we are going to do any job in any place. तो वहां पर किसकी वैल्यू है, वैल्यू इसकी नहीं है कि that particular candidate is a male or a female. वैल्यू वहां पर किसकी है, एजुकेशन एंड स्किल. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट एजुकेशन एंड स्किल both are paid the same amount. Then there will be no difference between men and women if they have the same education and skill. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या है, what is the problem now? That most of the women did not access to the education and skill. A majority of women have merged education and low skill formation. Merge means very little, बहुत कम women in our country है जिनको की पढ़ने लिखने का मौका मिलता है. That's why क्या होता है, women always paid less than men. और ज्यादातर इसीलिए बिकॉज दे आर लेस एजुकेटेड एंड लेस स्किल डेवलप्ड इन देम. व्हेन दे एंटर इन अ मार्केट एक्टिविटी, जब वो घर से बाहर काम करने जाती हैं, दे आर अर्निंग लेस देन मेन. मोस्ट वीमेन वर्क वेयर जॉब सिक्योरिटी इज नॉट देयर. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे डिड नॉट हैव एक्सेस टू द एजुकेशन एंड स्किल फॉर्मेशन. और वहां पर उनको कोई लीगल क्या बोलेंगे उसको, लीगल प्रोटेक्शन या लीगल इंपॉर्टेंस भी नहीं मिलती है, बिकॉज दे डिड नॉट हैव as much education as men. और इन पर्टिकुलर एरिया में जहां पर वीमेन्स काम कर रही हैं, बिकॉज दे डिड नॉट हैव मोर एजुकेशन एंड स्किल, उनकी सैलरी भी कम है, उनकी इम्पोर्टेंस भी कम है, प्लस उनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट की सिक्योरिटी भी नहीं है, और उनको किसी भी चीज की, किसी भी एक्टिविटी का लीगल प्रोटेक्शन नहीं मिलता है, प्लस उनका एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी कैसा है, इरेगुलर जब चाहे तब उनका जो ओनर है वो उनको जॉब से निकाल सकता है। क्यों निकाल सकता है? बिकॉज दे डिड नॉट हैव एज एजुकेटेड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर फील्ड एज men. क्लियर? बट उन पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में वेयर द वीमेन इज just the same as men, either the education or the skill formation, they are getting the same money, the same facility, the same legal protection as men. Clear? So women with high education and skill formation are paid as per with men. So women, if they have a knowledge, if they have a skill formation, तो उनको किसी तरह का कोई भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं है इन गिविंग द सैलरी और द वेजेस. दे विल गेट द सेम सैलरी, द सेम वेजेस विच दैट पर्टिकुलर मार्केट एक्टिविटी प्रोवाइडिंग टू दी मेन. और ये कहाँ पर है? नॉर्मली इन ऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर वेयर टीचिंग एंड मेडिकल फील्ड अट्रैक्ट द वीमेन मोस्ट. दैट्स वाई दिस टीचिंग एंड मेडिकल फील्ड, ये दो ऐसी जगह है वेयर द वीमेन आर वर्क फॉर विद लॉट्स ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एंड लॉट्स ऑफ मेजोरिटी. बट नाउ in every field women used to do the work. Now they are not only in education and medical field, but they also in a scientific and technological field also. I think अब हमारे कंट्री के अंदर ऐसा कोई फील्ड लेफ्ट नहीं है जहां पर हम कह सके दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड इज डोमिनेटेड बाय मेल. In every field we can see female are also entering. Why? Only because of education and skill formation. क्या कारण है? एक तो एजुकेशन का, कि वो भी अब उनको भी असेस टू एजुकेशन हो रहा है, प्लस they also have a skill formation facility. Now they can also take any training which they want. If they want to come in a market activity or a labor market, they will get the same payment as per the men. Clear? So this is the main thing, or the importance of education and skill formation, that if women are educated and have a skill of their own subject, they will get a same facility or the same payment as the male members are getting. So this is our first topic, that was economic activities which was done by men or the women. We have read about these economic activity, that there are three economic activity. Mainly we classify in three: primary, secondary and tertiary. And in these we can say in every country these three activities are going on. और उसके बाद in these three activities male and female both are used to do a job. So for the development of any country, these economic activities which was performed by either the men or the women is very important for the development. आप कहीं भी देख लो, किसी भी कंट्री में देख लो, that economic activities are the very important part of the development of that particular country. Okay, so see the importance of this particular activity. Which activity? Economic activity.